Welcome back friends, myself JP. In this video, we are going to see about how to make texture mods for Demon Slayer Hinokami Chronicles 2 game. Come on guys, let's get into this video. This game requires Unreal Engine version 5.3.2. Just go to Epic Games Launcher, then choose Unreal Engine and then Library and then select the engine version 5.3.2, then install it. I already installed the Unreal Engine 5.3.2 engine version and created an empty project. Okay, so make sure you need to keep a name as a APK2. This must be your project name. Okay, so this is a build release. Fine. After that, we need another application which is called as FModel. Once you open the FModel, it will show a pop-up message that we need to add a game directory. To add the game directory, just go to Steam and then click Manage, then browse local files. Then open APK2 content packs, then copy this address. Okay, then go back to FModel. Then click the expand this one, then in the directory paste the copied location and in the name you can type the game name. Okay, then click the plus button. So in the UE version you need to select 5.3. Okay, this is the version. Then click OK. So your FModel will load all the files. Now we need to include the mapping file. Go to settings and then enable local mapping file. Then browse and select the Demon Slayer 2 mapping file. I provided this mapping file location in the description of this video. Then click OK and then mapping folder is completed. Fine. So in this tutorial we are going to see about a texture modding. So I just make a simple texture mod by replacing any outfit colors. For this, you can open the UTOC file. The UTOC file which is having the game files. Double click it and then APK content APK2 art model PLC. Under the PLC folder, all the playable characters are available. So for this tutorial, I plan to mod. I will plan to mod Shinobu. Okay. So Shinobu number is P0011. Under the P0001, you can find two specific folders. Each folder has been a separate outfit. Okay, maybe just assume a V00 will have a base model and V01 will have another model. Like in games, we can have some characters with and without a cape, right? Like that. Okay, just expand the C10 and then open the mesh. Then double click the mesh. Once you successfully install the mapping file, then only you can able to view the models and textures, etc. Okay, so now I'm going to change the color of this skirt. Okay, now go back to the folders and then in the textures you can see these are the textures which is used for this specific outfit. If you double click it, you can see the textures. Now you can see the sea. So I'm going to change the yellow color texture to some other colors. So just right click the specific texture and then click save texture. Okay, I saved these two textures. Then go back to the bottom of the window. You can see successfully saved. Just click this file to open the folder. Yeah, these are the folders where the files has been exported. So I am going to edit this file in some editing application. Just drag and drop this. Okay, maybe I will change the color. Maybe I can use the hue option. Yeah, this is better. Okay. Just save. Okay, now I successfully modified the color. Go back to your Unreal Engine and then you need to make the exact folder structure like this one. Okay, so after the content you need to follow APK2 art model PLC P0011 V00 C10 texture. This is the structure. If you miss the structure, your mod will work but you can't see the modified textures in the game. Okay, so for easy access, what I can suggest is already we extracted the file. The file has been extracted with the same folder structure. I'm just drag this specific folder. Just see, after the content, you can just drag this folder to your Unreal Engine. Then the folder structure is created automatically with your textures. Once you drag and drop the textures into Unreal file, make sure you have these settings. Go to Edit Editor Preferences and then on the search bar type chunk and make sure to enable allow chunk ID assignments. Okay, once done, then go back to the project settings and then packaging. You need to check use IO store option. Also on the search bar type cook and then enable the cook everything in the project content directory. This is optional, maybe enabling this will be better. Okay, now go back to the tutorial. Okay, once you enable these options, just select the textures which you modified, then right click and then click asset actions. Then you can see the assign chunk. So then click this one and then you need to assign chunk. The chunk value between 0 to 300. You can choose the number between this. I'm just going with 51. Okay. Then click file and then save all. Once done, just go to platform and then Windows. Okay, I forgot to say another settings. Go to the project settings again, then packaging. Under the packaging, you can see the build configuration as a shipping. Okay, you can keep this one. Or else you need to choose the shipping option from here. Either way you can use it. I'm just going directly with the shipping options. Okay, just click platforms, Windows and then package product. It will ask the specific location where you need to mod. Okay, I'm just creating a new folder and then saving a export. Okay, then open the export file and then click select folder. So the packaging has been started. Please wait until the packaging is complete. Okay guys, the packaging has been completed successfully. Just go back to your project folders. Okay, and then open the export file, Windows, APK2, content, packs. And then we used 51 as our chunk ID. So the file has been created in the 51. Just select all the three and then rename to Shinobu outfit, blue outfit. Okay, something, whatever the name you can give, but at the end make sure you need to type _p. This is mandatory for all the mods. Then copy these files and then go back to your game directory. Go back to the game directory and then create a new folder which is named as a mods. Okay, then paste your mod file inside this folder. That's it guys, we made a texture mod. Now we need to check in the game. Launch the game.
Demon Slayer! Kimetsu no Yaiba! The Hinokami Chronicles 2!
We modified Academy Shinobu outfit. Just go to Academy Shinobu. Yeah, see? The color has been changed for the outfit.
I'm ready for school!
Let me invest.
Class is in session!
See, the modified outfit works perfectly in the game. Okay.
Alright? If not, then tell me!
Closing the game. That's it guys, we successfully made texture modding for Demon Slayer 2 game. Also for easy access, I will share this specific project file for your reference. Bye bye guys, see you in my next video. Signing off, JP.